URL structure best practice according SEO point of view. By this you will find a great growth in organic traffic, keyword ranking, everything. Yeah, hi, my name is Romil Tripathi, and in this video I will tell you in detail why URL structure very important. So basically, if you need organic traffic, more keyword ranking, then you need to target more keywords, and for more keyword you need to more SEO landing pages. And SEO landing pages URL structure are very important. This is a URL structure. I'm just giving you example. This is a URL structure. This is a URL structure. You can see. Basically, your URL should be neat and clean, and basically according keyword you need to add. And I'm just giving you one example. My website is SEOfirststep.in. So I also published a blog related URL structure. Basically, best key elements and best practices: descriptive and short. Your URL need to a short, and also keyword include relevant keyword, lower case, use only lower case, not uppercase, hyphen, separate words with hyphen for readability, avoid underscores, and logical heresy, avoid complexity. HTTPs avoid use. Basically, you need to add, always use HTTPS. I am just giving a, this is my website SEOfirststep.in. you can see basically. And example URL structure: good URL structure and bad URL structure. Good URL structure: simply https://www.seofirststep.in digital marketing company in Delhi. Basically, if you are targeting keyword like digital marketing company in Delhi, then you need to add basically small case and everything. And good URL structure, this also you can also a directory structure, digital marketing company / Delhi. And bad, this is a, you can see, like a page ID using numbers, a special character, this. So basically you need to avoid this type URL structure. And white matter for SEO: user experience, credibility, and ranking signal. So you need to add this type of URL structure in your website. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Also SEO services, GMB services, you can contact me. I have around 17+ year experience, and I will provide you a great growth in organic traffic and keyword ranking and basically conversion. Okay, thank you.